Hi, my name is Victor Kekep and I'm the chairman of this year's JCI Manila Ryder Cup. Tonight is our draft night. We have two new team owners, Team Loyal and Team Dampi.
Ryder Cup is a great event that's made up of Manila members who are into golf. It's held every year. This is our 12th year. So last year, it was held in Thailand. This year, ginaya na naman nila ako because I was the chairman last year. And then Thailand ulit.
Very exciting kasi medyo mainit ang labanan sa dalawang team. So tonight, sana nini-wish ko lang na madraft nila yung mga gusto nilang madraft. And this year maging mas competitive sa committee ko, sa 2024 JCI Manila Board of Directors, sa founders ng JCI Manila Ryder Cup, and sa lahat ng nag-register sa Ryder Cup this year. Maraming salamat sa inyo.